Dahil sinain, sunog na. Hindi, hindi pa ba ng sahay? Ano ba to? Ay.
The natural resources of a country are the sovereign property of its people. They are not ours to steal or exploit in the name of our comfort, our corporations, or our consumerism. They're ready for it, sir. The third world is not a world apart, and the witness you will hear today speaks on its behalf. Let us hear the voice of that world. Let us learn from that voice, and let us ignore it no more. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Solomon Banty.
What do you want? Sino nagkupit sa'yo? Babae o lalaki? Eh, babae. Nakita ko eh. Supit ka? Wow. Ano? Oh. Bakit? Hmm. Hindi naman ko sabi. Saan kakain? Hindi, ikaw magkakakain. Saan? Interview? Ay, saan dapat? Ito sa SM North. Wala ba? Kape mo, hindi mo.
Ano, nagdapat?
Oo. Hindi na init pa. Hindi mo kira. Hindi mo pa na-iwan.
Hindi na masaya.
Bakit? Ulam.
Hindi lang. Kami kasi natin. Kasi,
Balat sa pet. So, meron kang munal sa pet.
hindi.
Ang dami-dami niya. Huwag mong buti niya, ha? Ang dami yan. Baka ano? Yan natin. Charles.
Yung cellphone ko pa saksak mo, lobat na. Ha? Saksak mo.
Yung.
Cellphone ko.
Paano ba ito? Pag-test, finger feedback match.
Yan, yan. Pero ako lang naman, parang hindi na nila kapag ko. No, I wanna watch!
Ayaw, ah.
Basta isaksak mo na lang, ba't kailangan mo pang buksan?
Oo nga. Dito ka! Kaya nasisira ang mata mo, lapit-lapit ko eh. So ba tayo 18 ano ngayon? Marino?
Punta kaya?
Wala naman natin.
Gusto ko yung linggo sa Iligan City.
Ha?
Yung linggo
For the rarest kid born with real-life
Oo nga.
superpowers, the last
Sa Sarangani ba?
number one, Alexei Golovkin from Tula, Russia.
Eh, ano nga eh.
Golovkin is
Tsunami
the most
warning.
flexible man alive. After over 20 years of intense training, he can twist and bend his body in ways that seem
Bakit sa
impossible.
ulo
Spending nearly
talaga
5 hours stretching daily, Alexei pushes human limits, performing mind-bending No one else can. Number 2, Ashna Muslima. At just 12 years old, Ashna stunned the world by shedding sharp, glass-like crystals instead of tears. Nearly 10 would fall from her eyes daily, yet her sight remained perfectly fine. To her family, it was a miracle. To scientists, an unsolved mystery.
Banana. Banana.
Huwag lang naman ang nagdadamay. Ito naman, hindi naman na nasasangkot sa mga ulo. Sa mga mali-mali na siyang pamilya. Ang siya yung nagdadamay. Ayan, maasa. Napatay. 5 million kick power. I kicked so far, it's too easy. You look like a noob, so you can't kick far.
I can kick far! Watch this!
You're so weak.
Guys, every like equals 1 million kick power for bacon.
No one will like this stupid bacon.
Oh my god, guys, thank you!
I have 5 million.
When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes.
Is the Lambo V12 Vision Grand Trooper, and look at the lights on the back. You've got the signature Y line here, and how cool are these tailpipes? You see them go all the way in to the naturally aspirated V12, but it also has
Hey, bro, you can't park there. Oh, no. See, the best of using smart face. These are the top 5 biggest pickup trucks ever built in the world. These monsters are so massive, they make ordinary trucks look small. What if you pulled up next to you? It would completely dominate the road. Comment below which truck shocked you the most. Before we dive in, if you want a full week of holy happiness and love, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment God is good all the time before this video ends. Number 5, Apocalypse Hellfire. This apocalyptic beast looks like it came straight out of a movie, with enormous tires, aggressive armor-like styling, and incredible off-road capability. It's impossible to ignore. Number 4, Hennessy Velociraptor, a heavily modified performance truck with insane horsepower. It combines the toughness of a pickup with the speed of a supercar. Number 3, International DB515, built on a commercial truck platform. Giant pickup is designed for serious work. Its massive frame and heavy construction makes it one of the biggest pickups on the road. Number 2, International CLT. This legendary giant is often considered one of the largest pickup trucks ever sold to the public. Standing next to it feels like standing next to a moving building. Number 1, Mercedes-Benz E-Class 5000, the king of extreme pickup style trucks. Built to conquer almost any terrain on Earth, this unstoppable machine combines massive size, incredible durability, and world-class off-road capability. It's a true giant among giants. These are the top 5 biggest pickup trucks ever built in the world. These monsters are so massive, they make ordinary trucks look small. So what if you pulled up next to you? It would completely dominate the road. Comment below which truck shocked you the most.
The baby was born at only 20 weeks. He was so tiny that he could not even wear clothes. Just minutes earlier, his mother was on her way to a checkup. A sudden car accident caused the water to break, forcing her into early labor. When the underdeveloped baby was placed in her arms, her I like that angle. I like that. I wonder if they're like a nut.
Michael Jackson was a boy. He was a white kid. But now as an adult, he looks like a black man.
How ignorant is that? Ignorant fool.
Take a look at the best car design. Wait for the last car design. It will shock you.
Ay, ate! Ready ka na? Ready? Hindi ko kainin niya.
Ay, magpo.
Kunti lang. Ay, mapainin.
Wala kayo na ano, pinati ko muna.
Ayaw mo ready nga?
Dede, di ba? Yun, Dede? Ha? Tawagin mo si Happy Jessie. Hindi mo, Dede. Dede daw.